Wagwan people, how everybody doing? People may have a very, very, very important decision to make in my life, but two friends them I have. I want to help me and give me advice if me must write them off or give them a next chance. Imagine me step out in my nice yellow and blue this morning, matching out with my daughter because my wife dress her up. So I want to take a picture with her later. So I dress dapper this morning. So people, me step in the office and I heal up one of my friend them. Me call her Thin Slice because she's very thin. And she also says she thick, but I know me can't see it. So I said, Thin Slice. So here she respond to me now. Tweety bird. People. Tweety bird head bigger than him body. Tweety bird foot big like him body. People. She hurt up my head with that comment. Oh, she must call me Tweety bird, people. But must really be her friend. When you style your friend as Tweety bird, look on my head, look on my foot. Oh gosh, man. And see people, to make it worse, you know. Guess what she do? She go inveigle her friend, Miss Bailey. Yes, Miss Bailey, me I call your name. Yes, we sit down right beside her. Inveigle her friend to come call my name. So when me I go back at the printer, you know, I may also pass innocently. Here, big bird. People, big bird have big belly. My belly not big, it just big-ish. People, I mean not trouble them and I say a Thin Slice now. People, more the friends like those will traumatize you upon a daily basis. Traumatize you with them comments upon a daily basis. We must really have them friendly people. Let me hear in the comment section below because it's serious. Me I go write off some friends today. Me want to hear some comments, please and thanks.